Alright, need shocks, struts, hood, fenders, doors, trunk. Oh, me. .3D printing material. Fiberglass. Fiberglass resin. Primer. Undercoat. Yes. Oh, does it seem like it's ever gonna stop? I've got more projects than I do money. Wait. I didn't. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to We Can Fix It, to where if we work together, we can fix just about anything. My name's Danny, and today on We Can Fix It, we are working on my cash register. Now, I've gotten rid of the cash register after I repaired, well, semi-fixed it. Not really repaired it. I took it apart, greased up everything, and put it back together, painted it, all that good stuff, to pretty much make it look decent, look presentable, because it's an antique cash register. It's never really going to serve its full purpose as being a cash register again, so it's really only for display uses. Now, one thing as well is that during this process you're going to see a whole bunch of different things that I have done to it to get it to work. And when I first purchased this cash register, it was in very bad shape. It's made out of pot metal, and being made out of pot metal, it's rusted, but it's only surface rust on it, which is a good thing. Inside the cash register, in the box is actually in perfect condition. The bell actually still works. You can still activate it with the keys. The keys do get stuck, but it's not often. I tried to fix that issue, but I made it better, but I didn't completely fix it. And like I said, it's mainly for display uses only, and I did give it away, and the gentleman that has it showed him that if you click the no charge, it doesn't activate any of the other keys. You can hit no charge on the register and it'll shoot the door right out. It'll ding like you done made some money, and you can throw whatever you want to in it, close it right back up if you want to. But yeah, the glass in it was so hazy you couldn't see in it, you couldn't see nothing. The cash register itself is in fairly decent condition. The only thing that I seen that it was missing was what's called the topper. The topper on it, I'll put up a picture on that, is it just pretty much says the name of the business, or says the name of the register's company, and that's pretty much it. It doesn't really go past that. I mean, it's just an old antique register, which something like one of these registers you probably would kind of seen shown off in old candy stores and stuff like that back in the day. I doubt they used it for anything, like in saloons or places of that nature, but who knows? I don't know the origin of the register. I actually don't know much about it, except for that I wanted it, I bought it, and then I didn't have nowhere to put it, so I had to get rid of it, and that's unfortunate, but Being I don't have nowhere to put it, I'm not going to keep something that's just, you know, put up and out of sight. So I want to be able to see what I own. That's why I drive my cars. All that good stuff. So let's, without further ado, let's get to the rest of the video, and I hope you enjoy it. Oh Lord, too much work to do. Not enough time in the world to do it. So we're going to take all of this apart. This all is very easy to take apart. All you got to do is they're all flathead screws. I'm going to try to clean the screws up as well when I put this back together. This right here just sits on the top just like that. It has glass in it that can easily come out. I say easily, but it's not coming out. So, pick this up. I'll lay it on its back. I'm going to remove all of this wood trim real quick. The wood is in superb condition on this. So I believe I can do a sanding and then polish it. I believe it'll be fine. Now that bar slides in right here. Bolted in on both ends of that, and this is just the rail that this slides on. So once that bar comes out, this will just slide right out. Flip it back over on its front. These things are not light. So this should just slide right out. Just like that. One of the reasons I would like to keep it is because it comes with the key. This key slots right in this. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can get the light in here to show it to you. Yeah, now you can see it a little better. This key right here slots right into this, and you pull it down, and it's supposed to reset all of these. Now, at the moment, it does not. But we're going to fix that. Hopefully, we will fix it. One of the biggest issues that we're going to have, though, is these numbers. They're going to be very hard to find. I don't think I'll be able to find any. And as far as making new ones, I don't know of anybody that'll make them. So they may have to stay the same, unfortunately. All right. I'm gonna spin it around, and I'm gonna take off the back. The back's pretty easy to come off. So. Oh wait. Woo. Let's take off this. While we're doing it, I'm going to take off this little, I guess it's called a striker, I don't know. It's just 2 Phillips screws. You can't really see what I'm doing here. Let me move you down a little bit. So it's a screw here and a screw back here on the same side. It's just to hold it in place. Slides right off. I'm going to try to sand it and make it polish up. I don't know if I can or not, but I'm going to give it, I'm going to give it a shot. All right. We'll take this off next, I believe. See if it'll come off. I can't remember. I had it apart one time before, but it's been so long. I'll have to move it up onto the desk, and we're gonna have to oil it and all that good stuff before I don't really want to give it away, but I literally have absolutely nowhere to put it. Most of these screws are the same size, so there's no real worry about mixing them up. So very simple, it just slides right off. Again, these are the same size as the others. If this front plate will come off. I doubt it. Let's see. Oh, it comes off. Now we get the glass. You can see everything stuck. they're not falling. But that's an easy fix. Alright, this comes off. And now you can see this spins all of this mess. Ah! It's not easy to turn, I can tell you that much. Still works. You can still see it turning and everything. Ah, but it's very, very tough to turn this sucker. So, spin it around, get the back, and then we will get the sides. Let's see if you can see what I see. You can see what I see. Do you see what I see? And most of these screws are that. Nothing too awful big. If you want to restore one, if you get into detail, I'm not going to get into detail. Like I said, I'm not going to keep it. So. Don't break. Please don't break. I don't want to go by. No, no. Okay, good. It's not broken. And now we get the sides. Which is fairly simple. Again, just flathead screws. Blanc. Did I know I was going to do that? Yes and no. But mostly no. I forgot how it came apart. So, flip it up like this. See if you can see me. Up a little bit. I'll take off this side. Now, the biggest question is how to reset all of them. And it's real simple. Let's see if you can see it. Okay. So right here, this holds them. All you gotta do is just tilt it forward. That's what rings the bell. And it will reset every one of them. Supposed to anyway. We got one stuck. There she goes. Hey, I lost this. Alright. Mechanism is very, very hard to turn. Oh! My legs are starting to hurt me. I'm not going to go too awful wild with this. I'm going to take this off. Just 2 screws up front. Mainly taking it off to paint. We're going to leave it the way it is. It don't want to move. Okay, so this mechanism is not that heavy. And nothing on the bottom of it works. Anything on the top of it. So alright, so these mechanisms are loose, so it's the center mechanisms that are very stuck. So I'm going to try to spray some lubricant in there, and we will find out if we can make these 2 break loose. Because they work, but they're stuck. Or at least they didn't work. There they go. Alright, well, I'm going to take it outside. We're going to put some lubricant on it. Alright, we're working with this. This is what the cash register looks like on the outside. Rust. Using this from Harbor Freight. Wire wheel. Go down, you can see we're losing light on this. You can kind of see right here. Looks like fish eyes. Well, it is, and it's easy to fix in this. Just wait till it dries and then spray it one more time. There we go. I can't see you for a minute. Alright, and that's it. Just spray that. You can see it's fish eyeing a little in the corner. That'll be fine. Then we're going to clear it. Yeah, Jesus. Congested. And we'll be done with this portion. I still have I still have 3 more pieces to paint. So this is what I'm using. A Krylon metallic brass. And once this all goes together, it's going to look great. Alrighty. all clear coated. Once it dries, it goes back in the house, and then we're going to work on the last piece to be painted, and then we're done with that. The only thing left will be dyeing what I need to dye on it, and that's pretty much it. So just stick with me and we'll finish it together. Alrighty, this is the last piece aside from the wood base, and that won't take but a second to do. So I'm just gonna clean this up and be done with it. Let's see if I can't get you guys a good view. You guys on the lights can kind of see what it looks like here. Not too awful bad. I'm gonna wipe it down with a rag and then we're done. We'll paint right there. Alrighty, we're gonna put that on. Alright, we're gonna put that on. Let's see here. Alrighty, we got that. That looks pretty good. I didn't do too much cleaning on all the mess on the inside. You're not going to see it anyway. As long as it works, that's all I care about. Lord have mercy, it's done. It's not perfect. I normally don't do perfect on stuff I'm giving away. But still nice. Cleaned up the lens. Actually see it now. And it does kick the drawer out. Oh, turned out really good. Didn't it, John? Do you think it turned out good? Huh?
Yeah, let's see.